Cutting simulation, GPU-accelerated collision checking. In modern manufacturing, complex machines, intricate toolpaths, and advanced processes demand highly accurate and efficient simulations. Validating toolpaths and detecting costly errors such as tool collisions is critical. However, traditional simulation methods can be computationally expensive. The latest cutting simulation release now integrates GPU-accelerated collision checking, delivering fast, precise detection of tool part collisions during material removal. This enhancement enables rapid visualization in fast-forward mode for complete part verification and rest material calculation, as well as detailed verification in play mode, ensuring complete part validation with high precision. In CAM environments with GPU acceleration, manufacturers can simulate complex machining processes faster than ever, optimizing tool paths and preventing costly errors. Experience faster, more efficient simulations with our cutting-edge GPU-accelerated simulation.